Hello viewers! Ramayana is one of the two major Sanskrit epics of ancient India, the other being Mahabharata. Along with Mahabharata, it forms the Hindu Itihasa. Itihasa means history. The epic, traditionally ascribed to the Maharshi Valmiki, narrates the life of Rama, the legendary prince of Kosala kingdom. We painted Ramayana in 21 days as a playlist in our YouTube channel. By taking 21 important scenes across all Ramayana. We firstly started with Lord Ganesha painting, who is Brahman himself, who is the supreme Lord, who is the energy of Lord Shiva, who is the source of all bliss, who is the bestower of all virtuous qualities and success in all undertakings. Rama or Ram, also known as Ramachandra, is a major deity of Hinduism. He is the avatar of God Vishnu, one of the most popular incarnations along with Krishna, Parasurama and Gautam Buddha. Rama was born to Kausalya and Dasharatha in Ayodhya, the ruler of kingdom of Kosala. His siblings included Lakshmana, Bharata and Shatrughna. Though born in a royal family, their life is described in the Hindu texts as one challenged by unexpected changes, such as an exile into impoverished and difficult circumstances, ethical questions, and moral dilemmas.
Sita Mata was discovered in a grove of plucked field by King Janaka. So Sita was a daughter of Bhudevi who got adopted by Janaka and Sunaya. When King Janaka was plucked a field to perform yagna, Sita appeared splitting the earth. The king found her as a baby girl in a golden basket. Having no children of his own, he put her affectionately on his lap, and king declared her as his own child. The Swayamvar or Swayamvaram was an ancient practice in India. The objective of Swayamvar is to marry a girl with groom of her choice out of the set of suitable candidates. This ceremony was organized by father of the Sita and mostly was used in royal families. The word Swayamvaram is a combination of two Sanskrit words, Swayam and Var. Swayam means oneself or process of acting on your own. Var means bridegroom. From the perspective of Sita, Swayamvar as a process of self-selection of Rama.
After this Swayamvaram, King Dasharatha announces to Ayodhya that he plans to crown Rama, his eldest child, the Yuvaraja, as a crown prince. While the news is welcomed by everyone in the kingdom, the mind of Queen Kaikeyi is poisoned by her wicked maidservant Mandara. Kaikeyi, who is initially place of Rama, is made to fear for the safety and future of her son Bharata. Upon Dasharatha born to Kaikeyi, she asked Rama to leave the kingdom and go for forest called Vanavasa or Vanavasam. Rama agreed to his father's and mother's order. Lakshmana, brother of Rama, decided to leave to the forest along with Rama and Sita. In the forest, Surpanaka tried to flirt with Rama and then Rama refused her. Later, by observing all Surpanaka's acts, Lakshmana punished Surpanaka, and after that Surpanaka approached Ravanan. Surpanaka is the sister of Ravana. After that, Ravana goes to forest especially they call as Parnashala, in different avatars, like one of that being saint, and kidnap Sita. Kidnap is basically called Apaharan in Hindi. In the middle of travel to Lanka, Jatayu, a bird, tried to stop Ravanan. Later, Ravanan cut the wings of the bird to stop the bird attacking him. Ravanan takes mother Sita to Lanka. By knowing all things from Rama, Anjaneya visits Sita and gives Rama's ring to Sita as a proof that he met Rama. Anjaneya returned to Rama's place and told about Sita's location in Lanka. Rama planned to go for war. Before that, he wanted to build a bridge called Rama Setu. Before building Rama Setu, Rama and Lakshmana offers prayers for Lord Shiva. We only depicted two persons in Vanara Samrajyam, Monkey's kingdom. Several thousands of Vanara soldiers worked in construction of Rama Setu.
Rama declared war on Ravanan and killed Dashakanta. After killing Dashakanta, Rama asked Sita to enter into a fire. She accepted Agni Pariksha and done without any injuries. Later, Sita Mata and Sri Ramachandra returned into Ayodhya kingdom. Sita Rama Pattabhishekam took place in Ayodhya kingdom. On the other hand, Valmiki is a great saint and he had written great Hindu epic Ramayana for future generations to read and follow dharmas. Sage Narada visited Valmiki's ashram. Valmiki queried Narada if he knew someone who is currently alive and has all 16 virtuous qualities that a man can possess. 16 qualities are Gunavan, principal person, Viryavan, potential one, Dharmagna, conscientious, Krutagna, redeemer, Satyavakyo, truth teller, Drudavrata, self-determined in his deed, Charitrenacha ko yuktaha, blend with good content, Sarva bhuteshu ko hitaha, in respect of all beings, Vidwan, adept, Samartha, ablessed, Ekapriya Darshana, uniquely good looking, Atmavan, courageous, Jit Krodho, one who has controlled all his anger, Dayuthiman, brilliant one, Anasuyak, not jealous, Kasya Bibhyati, Devaha cha Jata Roshansya Samyugo, even whom do the gods fear when provoked to war. Narada, after a brief pause, started to tell Valmiki about Lord Rama. These all 16 qualities are inherited in Lord Rama. Lord Rama is a Surya Vamsha king. That which was sold by sage Narada was a very short version of Ramayana that had happened till then, and it came to be called as Sankshipta Ramayana. So one could tell that it was Narada who ignited the thoughts of Valmiki initially to write Ramayana. After killing Ravana, Rama returned to Ayodhya with Sita and Lakshmana. His coronation took place in Ayodhya. Sita became his queen. They were happy for some time, ruling over the kingdom, but their happiness was short-lived. Rama was resting in his room after supper. A spy whose duty it was to report to the king whatever was happening in the city came to him. He said, "Of course, all subjects praise you, but there is a washerman in this city whose name is Mara. His wife is Mari. He quarreled with her husband and went away to her parents' house. They, however, advised her properly and brought her back to the husband's place. The arrogant and angry washerman snarled, 'I am not Rama to take back a wife who had gone away. But you should not think too much of it.' Hearing the spy's word, Rama was stern, sending him away. Rama was lost in deep worry. Later, Rama called Lakshmana and ordered to take Sita with him and leave her on the banks of the river Ganga. Lakshmana would never go against his elder brother's words, but his mind was not for abandoning Sita, as already she is pregnant. But anyway, he left Sita Mata in jungle. "Alright," he said to his brother. Later, Sita went to Valmiki's ashram and given birth to twins named Lava and Kusha. Lava and Kusha are very well trained in singing Ramayana and also trained in different skills, Sarva Kala. Ayodhya kingdom wasn't happy for several years as Sita left kingdom. As per the great saint Rajaguru, Rama decided to Ashwamedha Yagam. Rama sent a horse as a part of Ashwamedha Yagam to forest, and later Lavakusha tried to fight with Rama.
By knowing that Lava and Kusha are his sons from Sita, Rama decided to make Lava and Kusha as kings of Ayodhya before he decided to end the Rama avatar in water. After handing over her sons Lava and Kusha to Lord Rama, Sita surrendered herself to Mother Earth to end the Sita avatar. After making his sons Lava and Kusha as kings of Ayodhya, Rama ended his avatar by entering into water. Finally, both Rama and Sita returned to Vishnu avatar, and we painted that as a final part of our 21 days Ramayana playlist in our YouTube channel. Hope you liked our dedication to create awareness of Ramayana, the greatest epic of Hindu religion, by our paintings.
आदौ रामतपोवनानुगमनं हत्वा मृगं काञ्चनं वैदेही हरणं जटायुमरणं सुग्रीवसम्भाषणं वालीनिर्तलनं समुद्रतरुणं लङ्कापुरीदाहनं पश्चाद्रावणकुम्भकर्णहननम् एतद्धि रामायणम्. One sentence about Rama is Ramo Vigrahavan Dharmaha. That means Rama, who has all 16 qualities that a man can possess. do like, share and subscribe to Maya Skills.
Thank you.